Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from the Purdue Armory. Here's your Purdue News Now 1-minute update. At the Global Nuclear Energy Economic Summit, the College of Engineering announced the nation's first online credential program in small modular reactors. Purdue also announced a strategic collaboration with BWXT to advance nuclear innovation. Indiana residents can get free help filing the FAFSA during College Goal Sunday on November 9th from 2 to 4 p.m. at 35 statewide locations. FAFSA must be submitted before April 15th to be considered for state-based financial aid. Adjustments have been made to the Ross-Ade and Purdue Mall campus transit routes. After feedback, the Ross-Ade Loop will add stops on Northwestern Avenue, Mitch Daniels Boulevard, and North University Street. The Purdue Mall route will expand further west with new stops on Mitch Daniels Boulevard, McCutcheon Drive, and 3rd Street. Purdue is launching the Center for In-Space Manufacturing. It's the nation's first dedicated hub for developing resilient, adaptive, and certifiable manufacturing capabilities for space. And check out the latest episode of the This is Purdue podcast with men's basketball assistant coach PJ Thompson on his journey from player to coach and how he's shaping the future of Purdue basketball. Have a great week, and as always, Boiler up.